In this video, I will show you how to face swap in Capcut. If you are in Capcut and you want to do the face swap, maybe from one gender to another, or just a different hair color, any of those different things, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's open up Capcut. And what you are going to do is instead of tapping New Project at the very bottom, let's tap on Template and choose that now you can do this from the start, basically from scratch, and create a face swap. But there are a bunch of templates that already do it and do a really good job. So let's just search for at the very top face swap and hit search. Now it will show you a bunch of different options that you can choose. You can go through this list to see which ones you like, which ones you don't like, and you can see how many people have used these various ones. It looks like this one was pretty popular. Use this one. You can see basically it swaps out one hair color for a different one now. All you have to do is hit Use Template at the bottom right and just choose some photos and hit Preview, of course. You need to choose the right photos that the exit. Same, basically look and feel to them. Just bring the two pictures in here and you can use this template to do the face swap. Hope this helps you. Have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.